Alright guys, here is the pretty one I was talking about doing the unboxing. I had something weird. I took in, when I opened up the box, there was like this nice envelope looking thing in there, but it didn't have nothing in it. And I did have to check this because it was shaking around, and here's the envelope. Looks like it should have something in it. Doesn't have nothing at all. I open this up. The skillet is in there exactly opposite from every other way that they put it in. This is all busted up. Here's the Smithey. Pretty skillet. I don't see any cracks or anything, thank goodness. But I'll go over it a lot better tomorrow, or in a little bit. Here's their care card and a Smithey sticker. So let's try to put this thing back in there like it's supposed to. So usually when you get one, it's in the box like this, and it looks a lot better. But can't tell. Huh. But I mean, it is a pretty skillet. I mean, it's got the eagle, the stars, 1776 to 2026. Beautiful skillet. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it'll definitely look pretty hanging on the wall with all the patriotic skillets. So, hope everybody has a great day.